I'm Brandon Weather. Here's the outlook for 2012-2013. Got the Clipper systems to the Great Lakes. It's going to cut across to Virginia and up to the Mid-Atlantic region to Maine. And you got a low pressure in the California coast. Some of the low pressure is going to go in the Gulf and go up the East Coast. And some are going to cut up. Again, the one they're going to come up and cut through the Great Lakes. And got the big high bringing the trough down in the eastern part of the country. And you got the NAO is negative, and oscillation is negative, and PNA is positive, and the AMO is warm. That's good for the polar tripole. And this winter should be a set off in November. We should get off on a cold start, and I think the first flake's gonna be to the north first, and then from November 15th to the December, that's when Kentucky, Virginia, and parts of Mid-Atlantic get their first flake, and North Carolina too as well, getting action. And I hope this winter be cold and snowy in south and northeast, the Mid-Atlantic region, and the El Nino is gonna be a week for the upcoming winter. It's gonna be weak or neutral stage. It's more El Nino pattern because it's gonna be wet across the south, and like storms they're gonna take the more southern road track, and some of them are gonna take northern tracks too, as well, to extent. This the trough gonna be setting up. In the beginning of the winter, expect more cold air to come down in the fall and winter months, and see snow across the good chunk of the country. Virginia to Maine, or North Carolina to Maine, get the most snow, I think, out of the winter. And down south, see less, see mixes, a little bit mixing, some heavy snowstorms down there too as well. And the ridge is gonna be out west, with mountain snows out west, the Colorado area. And that's about it for that map. The Farmer's Almanac shows a different story. It shows cold and dry to Maine, and snow conditions through Carolinas through Texas, and cold and dry. I went over this map before. You get the gist of it. It's gonna be cold half the nation, hot, warm out north of the nation. The new jamming stack model come out next October 21st. That's the new jamming stack model come out, but pretty much it's gonna be cold in the eastern part of the country, and the ridge come out west and went west, and that's what it looks like so far. I want to show you the snow map I made today. This is very important for the winter. I think 60 to 100 inches of snow is possible up through northern tier areas and parts of Maine. And I say 30 to 40 inches from the Carolinas to Virginia, just given because the wind can make it snow more. But 30 to 40 inches of snow for the whole winter in this area. 25 inches in the south because the snow gonna be heavy through here too. What makes this at times, so the numbers not gonna be as high. Maybe we get like 20, 25, 20 inches down here. 10 to 5 inches down to the south. Near Texas, get 10 or 5 inches snow this whole winter. This the snowfall map. It shows the snowfall across the area and that ridge out west, but the mountains of Colorado get their heavy 100-inch snow out there. They don't get a decent amount of snowstorms out there with low pressure forms that. There's gonna be a thin layer of ice that's forming across the south and bring down 10, 15 inches of snow, maybe 20 inches through the whole winter. I think this is a good snow map. Just given the fact this might be the good snow map, I think, for the winter 2012-2013 winter outlook. And I want to show you the analog I'm gonna use. It's more like this could happen in 2002 winter analog, 2010 analog. It's gonna happen for this winter, cold in the east, ridge out west, developing out west, the heart of the country, and I think these areas can get a lot of snow for this winter. Get hammered with snow, and the track's gonna be something like this. So some of these tracks gonna be like this. They go off and develop up the East Coast with ice and snow, and the Clipper systems come down from Canada. They're gonna produce a lot of snow and ice storms. Also a few ice storms for this winter. Mostly all gonna be snow though. And the ridge out west, guys. And this is my last frame I'm gonna talk about for this evening. We're gonna start off as rain, snow from these areas. The beginning, start of winter, November. Snow and ice possible for the beginning, and snow to the north. That's gonna come down as the cold air progresses through the winter. I made this map so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. Yeah, the rain and snow line can go further south, and that's gonna go down deep south of Florida and Texas. The mix is gonna go further south. The snow gonna go south as December rolls around. You're gonna see more coastal storms in December month, and through February, and during the cold months season. But the NEL gonna be tanking this winter, and it's gonna be pretty good. I think the trough gonna be like this, so that's where the cold air gonna be more angular trough and fluctuating. I think the northern tier will get like 60 to 100 inches of snow. I think the mixed zone we get either range to 25 to 40, I say 45 inches of snow in this area. And the zone right here get like 5 to 10. The rain, snow. When during the winter, the mixes go further south. No. In these areas, I think gets 100 inches plus, and they be average snow out there. And the ridge is gonna be out here, so it's gonna be warm out west. For the winter, it looks good, guys. For the winter, I do think for the Carolinas up to Maine will get hammered with heavy snow. I think they're gonna get hammered bad with snow this year, and even the southeast too. I think will get good amounts of snow as well. Even Florida get a couple of flakes of snow. And the ridge will continue out west. And we got high latitude blocking. We got big blocking, Greenland block, the big Greenland blocking place. That's the key. One's gonna be there the whole winter, all winter long. And I think most of the country, half of the country can get snow. Much of the U.S. can get snow this winter. For 2012-2013 winter forecast, I do think they're gonna get a lot. This video has been I'm gonna post this video at 6 p.m. 6:15 p.m. Yeah, this winter is gonna be a horrible winter. It's gonna be the worst winter ever in history. It's gonna be an ice age winter, and this winter is gonna be really bad and brutal cold through the east and warm out west. Just average temperatures out west are a little bit above normal temperatures, but as this cold air drills down during November, and the snow pack drive itself southward, it's gonna bring a lot of snow. I mean, across the areas, and the analogs are looking for it in the tropical. And I can't wait till the new jamming stack model come out. But it shows cold in the east, a lot of cold in the east. That's gonna be a lot of problems. The snow will not melt this year. It's gonna be big pack of snow this year, and the cold air gonna be more angular, and more storms gonna keep drilling down. We're gonna get a lot of snow in the northeast and the south, in the mid-Atlantic states. A lot of snow in the Carolinas, and it's gonna be bad winter. Alright guys, I'm about to cut this video. I'll make some updates later on. I hope you like this video. At the 6 p.m. hour, at Friday evening, Friday Eastern. I'm gonna help. I'm gonna keep continuing to update during this winter outlook. If I make changes, I might make some changes with the snowfall told us. Comment, subscribe my video below. If you got questions about the winter forecast, or you got a question about tropical update, I will post whatever you like to post next. I will post tropical update if you want a tropical update. I'm about to talk in my next video. I'm gonna talk about severe weather for this weekend coming up, and the tornadoes outbreak gonna be in the Great Lakes area with some severe tornadoes. I'm just gonna put it in this video a little bit. Tornadoes gonna be a big problem for us for the Great Lakes area during Saturday and Sunday. I'm gonna show you the maps. I'm gonna cut the